Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can screen record on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select record screen here, or the shortcut is Control Alt and P, and you're just going to basically select it. It will take a few seconds to kind of work because it's a little bit laggy if I'm being completely honest. Plus I'm also using OBS, so I don't know how it's going to well, it worked last time, so I'm assuming it's gonna work. Oh, I forgot I need to actually press on the screen, sorry. Then you're going to start recording. You can also record using your mic. You can also enable the video camera as well. Then you're going to just press start recording on this. And then you can obviously record other screens as well. Once you're done, you're just going to press the stop recording, and you're going to either download it if you're done, or you can even select edit mode to edit your recording. If I could just edit. Oh, okay, it's lagging, but it should work fine if this doesn't happen. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.